Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into Huawei's brand new foldable, the Huawei Mate X7. This phone takes foldable design to the next level, and trust me, you're going to want to see what it offers. The Mate X7 continues Huawei's signature outward folding design, giving you a massive 8-inch OLED display when unfolded and a sharp 6.5-inch cover screen when closed. The bezels are slimmer, the hinge is stronger, and the whole thing feels more premium than ever. Huawei has managed to make it thinner and lighter too, so it actually feels comfortable in your pocket. Under the hood, you're getting Huawei's latest Kirin 5G processor, paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM. Performance is buttery smooth whether you're multitasking, gaming, or watching 4K videos on that gorgeous foldable screen. Battery life is solid as well, with a 5,000 milliamp hour cell, plus 88-watt fast charging, meaning you can get from 0 to 50% in just about 20 minutes. Now let's talk cameras. The Mate X7 packs a triple Leica-tuned camera system, a 50-megapixel main, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Thanks to the foldable design, you can use those main cameras for selfies too, giving you some of the sharpest front-facing shots on any phone. It runs Harmony OS with new foldable optimized features like split-screen multitasking and app continuity. Plus, it supports satellite messaging, super loud stereo speakers, and Huawei's advanced cooling system to keep things running smooth. So that's the Huawei Mate X7. Sleek design, powerhouse performance, and one of the most versatile foldables out there. Would you pick this over a Samsung Z Fold? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.